Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I am going to declutter and organize my closet. This has been long overdue. I guess not that long ago I went through and I got rid of quite a few items to donate. I don't want to call myself a hoarder, but I have a hard time getting rid of stuff because I may use it sometime. I may need it for Halloween or a theme party. My goal for this is to just have a nice clean slate in there. We have a pretty decent sized closet. My husband put these brand new built-ins and drawers and everything in there, so I just want to be able to utilize them. One thing I really need to work on is to stop just throwing clothes on the floor in there or on the shelf, because that's what I tend to do, and then they pile up and then I don't know what's clean or what's dirty because I have a bad habit of putting clean stuff there too. I did buy a few things off of Amazon. I got a little set of 4 foldable drawers, drawer inserts that I can put in there for my underwear, my bras, my sports bras. That's what I plan to do with those. And then I got these foldable storage bag organizers. So what I plan to do with these is put clothes in there that I don't want to get rid of yet, but that I don't ever wear. So that way I'll put them in there so they're out of my closet, and I'll store them up above our bathroom. And if I don't use them or need them within the next 6 months or a year, then I'll probably end up getting rid of them. I got these collapsible storage bins. We have tons of these, like for toys and everything, but I thought maybe I could do something with these in the closet. I'm not quite sure if I'm going to use them yet, but we will see. I've got the under the bed organizers. So these I plan to put like sweaters and maybe like my Christmas sweaters, because I kind of have a lot. Put those in there. Just stuff that I don't need right now. That's it. So I will link all the products down below that I got if you guys want to check them out. They're all really reasonable. I think each one was under 20 bucks. If you guys want to see me declutter my closet, then keep watching. So the first thing I did was just went through and picked up everything off of the floor. For the most part, it's all dirty clothes. A lot of those shirts, my husband's shirts, my girls like to go play behind them and they just knock everything down. So I just went in and started cleaning everything up and found some random straws. I think I need to get a lock for my closet door. Now I'm just going to be taking all of my clothes and throwing them on the bed. Now I need to go through and figure out what is clean and what is dirty. Some of the stuff on that shelf in there was clean. I'll probably end up washing it again because I'm unsure. And now I'm just going to start making piles. I'm going to have a donate pile, a keep pile, and then a pile that I'm going to put in those storage little bins and set them aside because I don't want to get rid of them yet, but they're just not getting worn. So I'm just going to set those aside and see what happens to them in the next 6 months. And that all came out of my little laundry hamper that I got from IKEA. I'll show you guys later and I'll link it down below. It's really cool. It's got a spot for whites and then for darks, and that thing comes in super handy. Now I'm just going through all my sweaters and sweatshirts. I have a ton of like sports gear. I used to cheer for the Indianapolis Colts, so I've got tons of Colts stuff, and I just don't wear it a lot, but I don't want to get rid of it. So I'm going to put that stuff aside and put it in one of those little storage bins. And then of course I've got Bears gear because we're from Illinois and my whole family is all Bears fans, so I have to be supportive of that as well. So yeah, I'm just going through all this stuff, and a lot of it I'm donating. And I'm sure you guys can see my little helpers in the background. I think they're making a bigger mess than when we started. And now on to my tank tops and short sleeves. I try to keep everything in my closet kind of by tank top, and then I've got sleeves, and then I've got my long sleeve. I try to keep them organized like that. And now I am going through all my dresses. I am going to take all the dresses that are for more going out, and I'm going to put those in the storage bins because I clearly don't wear them very often. And then all these other ones are like my nice summer sundresses. And since I'm out here in Arizona, we have summer for quite some time, so those dresses come in really handy out here. And now I'm just going through and putting back some of the shirts. And now I'm going to start putting stuff in the under the bed organizers, and these actually aren't going to go under the bed. I have a spot up above my clothes in the closet that we are going to see if they fit up there, and that way they'll be nice and tucked out of the way, but then if I need something, it won't be hard to get down. And I will say, you guys, these were only $7.99 a piece, so I wasn't really expecting a lot. I kind of knew that they were going to be a little flimsy, but my husband, when he went to pick them up by the handle to go put them up above in the closet, the handle ripped off. So I will say be very careful with them. I would maybe just carry them from underneath and not even use the handle. Yeah, but I really like them. I mean, I wasn't expecting a lot. For $8, you know, it's not that bad. And these are my drawers. Before I put the little inserts in, pretty messy, and just nothing really has a designated spot. So these little inserts came in so handy. I can now see what I'm working with, and everything looks so much neater. And the bottom drawer is, the baggies are actually my swimsuits. I've got a ton of swimsuits out here in Arizona, and this is a great way to keep them all separate. And then this is what the little stackable storage things look like. I only used 2 of them, and these are going to go up above in our bathroom. And that is it, you guys. There is the IKEA little hamper that I was talking about for the lights and the darks. I love that thing. I've had it for years, and it comes in so handy. So I'm really happy with how it turned out. It's nice and clean. We'll see how long I can keep it like this. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And we'll see you all next time. Bye.